How to log in and sign in into a Yahoo Mail account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Google Chrome, search Yahoo. Simply click on Yahoo, which is the official website. In here, you'll find Sign In located at top right corner of your screen. Click on it. And then in here you will find all these options. You can sign in with Google account by clicking on sign in with Google, or simply add your username, email, or mobile at the top. After that, simply press on next and log into your account. This is how to log in and sign in to a Yahoo Mail account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.